Hey y'all, welcome to the kitchen. And today, the meal in the making is smoked sliced Boston butt. So the first thing you want to do, I've got a little over a 5 pound and a little over a 4 pound Boston butt bone in here. And what you're going to want to do first is just coat them with mustard. All this mustard is a binder. Just good old fashioned yellow mustard. We're going to rub that all around. We're looking for a good coating here. Okay. Once we've got that, you want to pick your favorite barbecue rug and coat him. And you're not even going to rub him. All you're going to do is you're just looking for a good coating. Now, smoking times will vary. I know that for mine, this 5 pounder is going to take probably around 14 hours. And this 4 pounder is probably going to take around 12. But the reason I've got two, one I'm going to do pulled, one I'm going to do sliced. So, but once you've got them nice and coated, you're going to go to the smoker at 225 for about, I would start off with about 10 hours and then check your internal temperature. When you put these guys on the smoker, you want to set them up high in your smoker if you've got a cabinet style. I guess if you've got the grill style furthest away from your smoke box. You want a good even heat on these, and you don't want them low. You want them to get a good smoke. You want them, like I say, if a cabinet style, which is what I have, you want them up high so that you, like I say, you get even smoke and it's not direct heat. And you want to try to, hopefully, if you got any hot spots, try to stay away from those. So we're going to go put this on the smoker at 225 degrees. All right, so we've had them both on here now for about 11 hours. One of them I am going to slice. The other one I want for pulled pork. So the sliced one we need to pull at 185, which it's there now. The pulled pork needs to go to 207. That's internal temp. So we're going to go ahead and pull the sliced one, and we're going to let him rest for, an hour or so. Look at that guy right there. So we've got our butt, our slicing butt, that we took out of the smoker. And the first thing you want to do is see they have a bone. Here's my bone here. All you want to do is peel that bone out like that. Oh, that's good. And then we slice it. These are the slices that you're looking for right here. Check him out, huh? Boy, that's gonna be good. You put that on a sandwich or you just put some barbecue on it, that is gonna be good. And there you go. That's how you make a smoke sliced Boston butt. It's great for sandwiches. It's great just to eat like it is. Put your little barbecue on it and go to town. So if you try this recipe and like it, let me know. If you do something different, I'd like to know. So really, I guess this is no longer a meal in the making. That's a meal made.